guys doing today? I hope everybody is doing well. Today I am bringing you my Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a $25 a month subscription box that it is monthly. It brings 4 to 5 full-size makeup products. It is a great way to enhance your beauty collection. Try new brands. They have phenomenal skincare, high-end, and a lot of makeup that you're not even gonna guess that they send you, like new brands, so you could try out. And yeah, so let's get into it really quick. This time it's an unboxing because it's not open. Yeah, so let's get into the video. You guys already know what to do. Grab a snack, your favorite drink, relax, sit back and enjoy the video. Yeah, if you're wondering, this look is all messed up because I recorded it like earlier in the day, and this got here, so I was like, let me pre-record and put it out. If you're wondering this look, I will have it right here in the eye. Of course, the products that are here, if I have something to try, then I'll bring another video trying the things that are here. So okay, I opened it. Okay, kind of different. Okay, let's see. This month is Dare to Dazzle. Variation, weight, height, dimension, all of that goodness, and how much is the box in total. I will have it at the end of the video. Okay, I'm just gonna dig in, and it usually comes with the phone, but now it has this little like click little thingy. So, but oh goodness, oh, I see things in here. All right, let me get my glasses ready. First thing is this is True and Luscious, and it says infused with hyaluronic acid, orchid flower, water, passion fruit extracts, and it says flower dose, pumping lip and eye serum. Pumping lip and eye serum. Plumping lip. I thought I was reading it wrong. Plumping lip and eye serum. Okay, I'm not getting it because it is vegan, cruelty-free, and safety tested. And I don't get it. Eye serum. Oh, okay. Look at this, guys. It is in this little thing here. I'm curious that it says plumping lip and eye serum. Let me see what it says. True Luscious. Okay. A supercharged treatment serum and primer for lips and eyes, designed to be used alone or as a nourishing base for makeup, infused with hyaluronic acid and a blend of botanicals including orchid stem cells, rose and passion fruit extracts that help visibly reduce fine lines and improve elasticity. And this is $34. Okay, so I guess this is a primer for your eyes and for your lips. Right there, $34. Right there, you already bought the box. Okay, next thing is this. And this is Good Genes all-in-one Actic acid treatment from Sunday Rally. This is how it looks. Frosted bottle, little pump, and this brings 1 fluid ounce. Oh, I didn't say how much this one brings. This one brings 0.5 fluid ounces. Okay, now this is, okay, Sunday Riley Good Genes lactic acid treatment. This targeted treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of fine wrinkles and dark spots. It exfoliates dull, pore clogging dead skin cells and instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin with skin brightening licorice. It visually reduces the look of dark spots and discoloration for naturally brighter even tone skin, and this is $85, guys. $85. I'm gonna look it up to see if it's true. $85. Okay, next is this, and this is from the Brow Bar Dual Brow Highlighting Pencil, and this is in the shade Light. Okay, I guess that's to clean your brows. Okay, a darker one and a lighter one. Brow Bar by Rema Brow Lights Camera Action Dual Camera Highlighter. Star in your next bright-eyed moment with this 2-in-1 highlighter featuring a velvety cream finish and another with a touch of diamonds. Your new secret weapon for effortlessly brightening your brows or eyes. The world is your stage. And this is $16. Next is this. It says Luna Magic Primer Base, and it's Vava Pink Lash Primer. Okay, it's cute packaging. And Luna Magic Vava Boom Pink Lash Primer. With just one sweep, this innovative primer mascara glides on to evenly coat and smooth your lashes for maximum and final results of your favorite mascara. It has a natural wax formula with a creamy texture and a new innovative emulsifier which adds volume and extra length. It's easy to apply and long lasting, and this is $25. This is a new launch. Nice package. Oh, pink. Okay, interesting. Last but not least is this from NARS. This cult favorite lip pen, so easily deliver the impact of matte lipstick. The long-lasting, non-drying formula is enriched with vitamin E and emollients for a creamy texture that ensures seamless matte color for hours, and this is $27. Okay, and this is in the shade Dulce Vita. This is the shade right there, and this is like a dark mauvey kind of color, which I'm not fond of. So guys, this is everything that I got. What do I think about this box? Anything that I try on from this box is going to be in my Instagram. Basically, I just got like 3 things that are not even, I cannot even do my whole makeup with. This that I probably will not use. Probably I'll use the eyebrow to highlight under and see how it looks. Probably I'll use the primer for the mascara to lengthen more and see how it works. I will use this. I don't know about this, but I will use this. But guys, Boxycharm is like, come on Boxycharm. No palette, nothing. I mean, skincare. I love, don't get me wrong, I love skincare. But come on now, it's like they're bombarding the boxes with skincare. Come on now, work with us. I mean, we want makeup. I see people getting palettes and stuff, and basically a couple of boxes I've been getting just skincare. Like seriously? Even though it's good products in here and high-end and whatever the case may be, I want makeup also because I am like totally full with skincare. How do I feel with this box? I would like to see more makeup. So that's my thought on this month's box. I hope you guys like this video. And yeah, let me know what you got in your Boxycharm. Let me know if you got any goodie. Let me know if you got any makeup, like really makeup. Yeah guys, so I hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to give me likes, subscribe before you leave, and until my next video, love you guys so much. Mwah.